How do I fold down the Minimus to reduce it in size? The Minimus is a manual folding scooter. To reduce the scooter in size so it can be easily lifted in and out of storage, please follow these simple steps. First, collapse the backrest on the seat. Lift the small tab on the seat base, then fold the backrest down and round, where it will clip securely in place underneath the seat. Pull this yellow lever to unlock the seat from its fixed position. Then push the seat down to reduce its height. On either side of the middle section, you'll find a tab marked with a yellow strip. Lift either one of these tabs to pop up the middle section. Then, with one hand on the footrest and the other on the back of the seat, push the front and rear of the scooter together. The sliding mechanism will bring the scooter down to an even more compact size. Lower the tiller head to its smallest height. Then pull the yellow knob at the base of the tiller to bring it down. The tiller head will comfortably fit into the mould of the seat base. The Minimus can now be lifted as one secure unit, ideal for storage and/or transport in the boot of a car. Simply reverse this process when you wish to resume using the scooter. Can I remove the batteries on the Minimus for off-board charging? The batteries on this scooter can be charged both on-board and off-board. To release the batteries, you must first release the shrouding. To unlock the shrouding, simply twist both dials so that the arrow is facing the blue marking. Then lift the shrouding and disconnect the battery from the mains. Make sure the shrouding is secure when the scooter is in transit. What's the size and weight of this scooter? When ready to use, the scooter is 92.5 centimeters in length and 42.5 centimeters in width. When folded, the scooter is 65 centimeters in length and 28 centimeters in height. The scooter weighs just 17.8 kilos thanks to its compact size and lithium-ion batteries. This scooter can support a user weight of up to 18 stone. Does this scooter have reverse controls? The Minimus does come with reverse controls. To activate this function, flip the switch on the tiller controls and gently squeeze the handle on the right-hand side of the tiller to control the reversing. If you have any further questions about the CareCo Minimus or any of our other folding scooters, you can visit our website, pop into one of our nationwide showrooms, or give us a call and speak to one of our dedicated customer service advisors. Thanks for watching. Take care.